What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford Focus remote head key fob. This Ford Focus key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a quarter. If you don't have a quarter available, you can use a flat blade screwdriver instead. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look down here near the key ring, off to the one side, there's going to be this notch right here. And if you notice, it's the perfect size for a quarter to fit in like that. So once I have my quarter in that notch, what I'm going to do is just twist it like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, it pops that back cover off. Go ahead and pull the back cover off and we see our battery right here. I'm just going to take my finger and kind of press on the edge of it and it'll pop it up like that. You can pull it out. Then I'll grab the new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. Set it down in the holder like that and then snap the cover back on. Make sure that's all the way on, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.